Good morning. It is a gorgeous, beautiful day. And we're heading to the hardware store. But this time it's actually a Lowe's, not like the one we usually go to, the little local one around here. So we're going to a big name store. Woo, we're fancy. Why do I do this? And also, oh, hi there. Have you come to join me? It seems like all my complaining about the weather lately. Ugh, God. It seems it's a nice day today. It's like 62 degrees. That's the hottest it's supposed to get. I was trying to vlog, but I got distracted here. First, a quick Target stop, because of course we're always in Target. Also, I gotta show you something. So maybe someone stole the display iPhone 10. Sure. Maybe someone stole the Amazon Fire. Sure. But is there some kind of like keyboard key shortage that I'm unaware of? What the crap, people? Okay, well, that's all taken care of. Up next, the Lowe's. Now, the only thing is, when we passed by it, there was a swarm of cop cars around it. So, some kind of excitement happening at the local Lowe's. I just can't get over how freaking windy it is. And I mean, granted, I've been complaining about the weather for the past couple days, so I'm not complaining about this. I love it. It sounds awful, like, audio-wise on camera, but oh my gosh, it feels amazing. Literally, I've always loved wind. Except it totally messes with my hair, but I don't care. Tangles galore. So what are we here to get?
Fan.
Yay! Oh, for my room?
Yeah, lucky duck. I wish mine would break.
Yeah, so a bit of context. The fan in my room the other day stopped working, which, I mean, is one of the reasons I'm glad that the weather is so perfect today. Okay, so here's the thing, right? The fan won't turn on, but the light won't turn off. So it's like this weird, I don't know, but...
You want your light on and your fan off, you're good.
Yeah, which is not fun for at night when I usually like the opposite of those two things.
Exactly.
So we're gonna get a new fan. What type are you thinking?
Well,
What type are you a fan of?
I'm thinking about one kind of like the one in my mom's room.
Oh. There we are. I'll just take the decapitation machine right there.
Yeah, that's exactly what that looks like.
Okay, I found it. The one thing I desperately need in my bedroom. Da-da-da. I never even freaking paid attention to my ceiling fan. Not to mention how many options there were, but let me tell you, there's a lot of freaking ceiling fan options. Holy crap. And I'm concerned I'm never gonna be able to like not notice these things. Like when I go to somebody's house, I'm just gonna judge them based on their ceiling fans, cause...
Okay.
Thoughts?
Huh?
What are your thoughts?
Well, this one here is the 44-inch, but see, it puts out...
It's also apparently a 5-minute fan. So, 5-minute fan. I have no idea what that means, but apparently it's a selling point.
I doubt that means a 5-minute installation time.
Woo! Woo! Well, we didn't notice the cops in there, so I guess that's a good thing. I cannot use this cart one-handed while there's someone waiting for me to cross the street. I'm sorry, I'm trying. It's so freaking windy. I have stuff to say, but I don't think you'll be able to hear it. We're good. We got it. And back it goes. No, you don't. Whoa! Someone seems to have lost its hello mat. Whew. Do we have any need for a doormat?
A doormat?
Okay, you ready, girl? You ready? I know. You're coming. Yeah! Be free. Aww. Were you trapped in there for a whole hour? Oh my gosh. You need breath mints, girl. I have my own special dog cologne now on now. Thank you.
No problem. Thank you.
Have a great day. Oh my word. Too windy for me. Ooh. We're gonna try and install this sucker. So update, there's one slight problem. You see that little hole right there? Yeah, well, in the 40 years since that fan was put up, they have changed the size of the hole required, if I understand correctly, which means no fan tonight. Or until we can get this fixed, which kind of sucks. You know, it's just that delayed. I don't know, I'm impatient. Anywho, I think that is probably a good spot to end on a cliffhanger. You know, about the crazy adventures of Chris's ceiling fan. So tune in tomorrow to see if we can fix this. But yeah, I'll see you then. And in the meantime, remember, what should they do, Grandma?
Stay positive.
Hey!
This is me, I'm still on it. Cause you all wanna be loved. If you all wanna be loved. But